Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the old face filter on TikTok. It's really easy and simple to do. So if you're unaware of what that filter looks like, it just looks like this. So if you're looking to get this filter, just stay tuned. All you have to do is head over to your TikTok application and open that up. And all we want to do is head over to our Discover tab at the very bottom here, and you just want to search for old face filter with no spaces. And the goal of this is just to find someone using the filter, click on their video. So this person right here. And all you have to do is click on the little yellow link above the username. And then all you have to do at this point is just click on add to favorites. And now whenever you go make a new video, if you go to your favorite filters, this will be there. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with finding this filter. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.